Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all how to prepare Veg Biryani. Ingredients: biryani masala, some whole garam masala like cardamom, cloves, bay leaf and cinnamon, turmeric powder, dania powder, salt, 1 green pepper, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, chili powder, oil, some frozen vegetables, curd, potato, coriander, ginger garlic paste, some paneer, cumin seeds, 2 to 3 mirchis, basmati rice. Take one big bowl like this for marinating vegetables and one big pan for cooking biryani. Now chop all the vegetables like onions, tomatoes, potato, pepper. Now put all the vegetables in a big bowl like this and add paneer to it. Now that we have all the vegetables chopped and ready, let's start the marination. Add 4 to 5 spoons of curd. Add pinch of turmeric powder. Then add 1 spoon of dania powder. Then add 1.5 spoon of chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. Finally, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now let's start mixing everything really well. This is how it looks after mixing. Keep it aside. Let's start the preparation. On the stove, put sufficient oil. Biryani requires a lot of oil. After oil is heated, add cumin seeds. Then add bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves, 3 cardamoms and 1 small cinnamon. Then mix it up. After these are roasted, add all the marinated vegetables to it. Then mix it really well. Now keep the lid and wait for 10 to 15 minutes until all the vegetables are cooked well. Meanwhile, take a bowl and add 5 cups of rice. So 5 cups of rice is sufficient for 4 people for both lunch and dinner. So please take the quantity accordingly. Now wash the rice properly and keep it aside. After 15 minutes, all the vegetables are cooked properly. In order to make sure, crush the potato. If it is crushed smoothly, then all the vegetables are cooked well. If not, keep the lid for a few more minutes. Now add washed rice to the cooked vegetables. Mix it well. Add around 8 to 10 glasses of water. Mix it well and check the taste. Now add required salt to it. Now mix it well and finally add coriander leaves to it. Now wait for 15 minutes until the rice is cooked. After 15 minutes, mix it well and see if there is any water underneath. If there is water, then it means your rice is not cooked well. So keep the lid and wait for a few more minutes. If there is no water underneath, it means your rice is cooked really well. In order to make sure, take some rice and crush it. If it crushes smoothly, then your rice is perfectly cooked. Finally, veg biryani is ready. This is very easy and delicious as well as healthy dish, guys. This dish contains a lot of greens, protein, and at the same time taste. So please do not forget to try this dish at home and let me know in the comment section below how it tastes. This tastes really well with raita, so have fun! That's it for today, guys. If you like the recipe, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be back with more videos. Bye! Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram.